Hello everybody and welcome to RC Adventures with the Turtle Bros. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to take out a servo on a Red Cat Racing Everest Gen 7. The reason this video is a little different, you might have noticed my brother already did one, but this one has the axle upgrade kit. So it's completely different placement of the servo, so it should be interesting to try to get it out. Okay, so first step we're going to do is we're going to take the bolt off of the steering horn down here. We're going to take that bolt out so that we can get to it, get on in there. Okay, so I'm going to go do that now, I guess. The next step is for us to take off these screws right here to get this to come loose. So I'll do that. So now you just pop off that steering horn and that is ready to go. So now we're going to go over here and we're going to pull off the plug that has yellow, red, and brown. So we're going to pull that out. Yeah, there it comes out. We're going to pull that out and then we're going to want to feed it back along from where it goes on the frame, and we're going to most likely have to cut these zip ties right here. So anyways, I'll go get that fed out now. So now I've gotten this all out, so now we're just going to unpack this new one. I ended up getting the upgraded Hexfly servo. I'm hoping that it has enough cable, but we'll see. And so I'm going to take this out of the package and then I'm just going to go ahead and put it in here and I'm going to screw it down. So my next step is going to be to wire this back down to how it was, and then you pull it up through this little hole here, and then you just plug it into this, actually plug it into this port that's right on the closest side to the speed control. So I'm going to do that now, and also you're going to want 2 extra zip ties so that you can, because you had to cut them to get the other one out. So I got it all wired up, and I got it all mounted down and put that on. Now something you have to be careful of is when you're putting this on, you want to turn on, so first step is you want to turn on your remote and turn on the cars with the servo plugged in so that the servo calibrates to straight, and then you get your wheels straight, and then you slip on the steering horn without turning the servo so that you get a straight turn and you get full turning ability. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.